Got your boy Gmo.
Yo. What's poppin', y'all?
Yeah, we need more light on, bro. It's too dark.
Not too dark. I'm Cajun fishing.
We out here catfishing. Still out here, sunrise. It's now daylight. Haven't caught nothing. Gmo caught something earlier. It's the waiting game.
Man, guys, don't let it fly by. Mike, see?
Gmo got one. It's a big one. It's a big one.
Get it, Mike.
Got a big boy.
Ah, tangled in the tree.
That's two for Gmo, bruh.
What you want to do with that? I was about to just reel that one in too right now. I give up on that one. I don't think the bait's on there no more.
It's a little cute guy.
Dang, Gmo, that's two. You got small hooks too, bro. How do you catch them on these small little hooks? That's all I got.
That's where it's at.
Dang, homeboy got in it. It went all the way through.
It did.
Here. There's the...
Gmo got the third one of the day. Let's go.
Dang, nice one. Another nice
Oh, look at that rat.
Dang, Gmo's catching all the fish, bro. Save some fish for us.
No, bro. He's like, I don't have to drive very far, so I'll just catch all the fish.
We only drove an hour away to catch nothing. That a boy?
He's just got the spot, bro.
Let's see.
Pray like yes, I would deliver him, cause he acknowledges my name. Raining nights when I was staring out of my window. Forgive me, Lord, for the times when I was sinful. Fill me up, Lord, this body now is your temple.
We got the new spot. I didn't catch crap. Day 26. Still haven't caught food. Lord help us. Going down. New spot. Oh, and I just fell.
You alright?
I'm good. Fell on my booty. I need to buy some hiking boots. My shoes ain't got no grip. Free fishing day. Hopefully catch a fish. Yeah. Beautiful morning.
Looks like there's stuff there. It used to be a house.
Oh, no. Oh, yeah. I was going to say, I didn't bring the ice chest, but it's right here on me. Are you filming that?
Yep, played yourself.
Same ice chest that you took camping with us, bro?
Yeah, it is, bro. The same one I dragged from my house.
I wish I had my ice chest.
Where'd it go?
Remember?
No.
Remember we got stolen?
Oh, yeah. Mike C, man.
The bear took it?
He's like, let's put it right by the road.
What's wrong with him?
I never heard of that.
Alright, let's fish, guys.
Yep.
Damn, bro, there's my
Tell me thanks for answering.
bobber. That ruined my day right there, bro. I just got mad and said,
You know what ruined my day is freaking smelling that caca fundido right now.
that was my booty cheeks.
There is worms in it.
You saw it?
Yeah. I seen worms, but I didn't open it.
Oh yeah.
What do you got to say about the fishing trip, Gmo?
He caught two.
Down.
This is
You
what
caught two, huh?
three. That's what
Three.
he got to say about the fishing trip.
Dang, Gmo, it's called a restroom, bruh. I already lost 3 hooks. One, what do you call those things that you throw out? I don't know, I lost too much stuff. I suck at fishing. This is my last time coming fishing. I quit. It's my last time coming fishing. It's not for me, bruh. Show that little one, Mike. Show the camera the little one, Mike.
That's a trip, bro. That's like, that's
Damn.
not even a bass.
Well, calling it a day for me, guys. Let's go get some breakfast.